Imagine a huge gathering where everywhere the only thing that you can see are beers. Everyone you see is drinking shots of beer and dancing in ecstasy. It's a celebration like none other. How would that feel? Won't that feel surreal? Amazing! Oktoberfest is a festival that's just that. Held annually in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. It is a 16 to 18 day folk festival running from mid or late September to the first Sunday in October, with more than 6 million people from around the world attending the event every year. Locally, it is called Die Wiesn. Oktoberfest is the world's largest and most famous beer festival and traveling fun fair. It's an important part of Bavarian culture, having been held since the year 1810. Other cities across the world also hold Oktoberfest celebrations that are modeled after the original Munich event. In 2013, during the 16-day festival, 7.7 million liters were served. There are other numerous attractions, such as amusement rides, side stalls, and games. A wide variety of traditional foods is also available. It couldn't get any better than this. Origins. King Ludwig I married Princess Therese on 12th October 1810. The citizens of Munich were invited to attend the festivities held on the fields in front of the city gates to celebrate the royal event. Horse races were held on 18th October to honor the newlyweds. The precise origins of the festival and horse races remain a matter of controversy. However, the decision to repeat the horse races spectacle and celebrations in 1811 launched what is now the annual Oktoberfest celebration. Interesting facts and traditions surrounding Oktoberfest. Munich beer only. Oktoberfest is above all a celebration of Bavarian traditions, so the beer you will find during the festival is brewed within the city limits of Munich. FYI, it's considered one of the best beers in the world. It's been cancelled only 24 times. In 200 years, Oktoberfest has only been cancelled 24 times. The causes were mostly due to the war and cholera epidemics. Nobody raises their mug until the mayor says so. Since 1950, the festival has only started after the official gun salute and the mayor shouting "It's tabbed" and offering the first mug to the minister, that is, President of the state of Bavaria. Only after that the festival can start. People drank 7.5 million liters of beer in 2018. The beer is specially brewed for Oktoberfest and it's extra strong with an alcohol percentage of 6%. There is an on-site Red Cross tent. There are 14 large beer hall tents. The most famous one is Schottenhamel, and the biggest one seats almost 11,000 people.
Sie schickt ihren Buddy und den Franz fegt's weg vom Platz.